We are your new truck dispatch partner. Our truck dispatching services play a crucial role in the logistics and transportation industry. We act as intermediaries between shippers and truck drivers or trucking companies. We provide services by locating the loads and identifying nearby truck drivers, getting loads ready and managing the paperwork, helping 24/7 in route management and navigation for truckers. We offer a variety of services such as truck dispatch, factoring invoices, generating communication between carriers and load holders. We offer factoring services that helps businesses to improve cash flow, manage working capital, and access funds quickly without taking on new debt. You can choose us for several reasons, as we believe in providing guaranteed value, free of cost expert opinions, best possible services in the industry, and 24/7 easy-to-contact support system. We are in business for more than 10 years, with over 500,000 of happy clients and covering nearby 2,000 loads per month. Here's what our client says about us. We are located at Wilmington, Delaware. Let's talk and find your solution. Visit our website on instanttruckinlc.us. For more information, call us directly or send an email on given address.